Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to, in just 2 minutes, use the TLive app. I'll guide you through essential features so you can get started right away. So firstly, of course, go ahead into your respective place where you download apps. In the case of Android, it's going to be Play Store. On iOS, it's App Store. Okay, after that, by using your account's credentials, log in with your login and password or email and password. After logging in, you'll land on the key dashboard. Here you can access your features like account information. Here you can access key features like account information. You can view your profile, settings, and linked devices. Service management, you can check subscriptions, billing, and usage details. Customer support, in there you can get quick assistance through live chat or FAQs. Also, you can manage your services. So tap on My Services to see active plans. Select a service to view details, upgrade or change settings. If needed, tap Billing to check invoices or make payments securely. Also guys, you can stay updated with important notifications by enabling them, of course. Tap on the bell icon for real-time alerts on payments, offers, and service updates. Enable push notifications in settings for instant updates. After that, we have customizing settings. You can go to settings to update your profile, change passwords, or enable security features. And this is basically it, guys. I'm just going to give you a final tip. So if you encounter any issues, use the Help Center or contact support through the app. And that's it. You're now ready to use TLive like a pro. If this tutorial helped, do not forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to not miss new videos, leave a comment, and of course, thanks for watching.